Hi, welcome. Now I'm going to show you in the pivot table values what is its percentage in overall total. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I have the data here about 277 records of products, and these 277 records having the 4 months sales: January, February, March and April. It also gives the details about the product, customer, category and country. Okay, so this is our source data, and I'm going to calculate a simple table on category and product with pivot table. Then I'm going to convert that values into what is its percentage in total. Okay, so I just select our source data, then go to insert, then pivot table. Then you can see the table or range. Okay. Then if you have choose where you want the pivot table report to be placed. I want it in the existing worksheet, which is I already said it is uh, total as percentage. That is the existing worksheet. And okay, I must select the cell, not only the worksheet, I also must select the cell name. Okay, I select the first cell name, and this is not valid. Okay, I want to use this one in the existing worksheet, and that worksheet I already have it total as percentage, and I need to select the first cell or any cell in the worksheet where do you want to put the pivot table report. Now the pivot table report is coming here. This is the pivot table area, and this are the fields available to select. Okay. So now when you have these fields, and what I'm going to do, I have a product and uh, products number of records. Okay. So now you see the count of product is here, and Alice mutton is here. Okay. For the Alice mutton, 13 records. Alice seed syrup, 6 records. So now my objective is to know what is this percentage of records in overall 277 in the grand total. Okay. So how can I get that one? Okay, it is very simple. Just go here and right click, and you can see the show values as. Okay, in the show values as is nothing but it will give you the percentage of grand total, percentage of column total, row total, and so on. Okay. For my case, what I'm going to do is percentage of grand total. I just select, then I can see here that I have 4.69, aniseed syrup is 2.17, and so on. So I have overall is that 100, 277 is 100, and each product, what is its percentage? Okay, in 277. Okay, so previously we had 13 records in Alice Mutton. So its percentage is for 13 out of 277, we had 13 records. So it is 4.69 percentage. Okay, of 277. So this is the way you can able to get the percentage of a particular value, a column value in grand total. Okay. So what I'm going to do, what is the percentage as in grand total? Okay. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to include a few more columns. Okay. I'm going to show the field list, and not only product, I'm also including the category. Okay. In this category, we have only new and old, and I don't want a blank. We don't have any blanks. Now you can see here overall grand total is 100%, and number of records now it is correct 4.69, which we already seen. It further split into new and old. New is 3.25 percentage and old is 1.444 percentage. Okay, overall old records are 50 percentage, new records are 50.90 percentage, and the old records are 49.1 percentage. So this way you can introduce a percentage into your tables, and it can be calculated from the total. Not only for the grand total, it can be for the row wise and as well as column wise. You can change this one to column total. Then what will happen? You will have the column of new out of 100 percentage. See, new records are 100 percentage. That means that it is giving out of only for the new records, Alice Mutton's new records are 6.38 percentage. Similarly, out of 100 percentage of all the old records, Alice Mutton's old records are 2.94 percentage. Okay, and so on. Okay, Alice Mutton performed 4.69 of it's already recalculated of 100 percentage, 277 records. Okay, this way you can introduce, keep introducing the percentage in your pivot table without calculating or introducing any formula. Okay, you can also have a row total. You can see row total. Alice Mutton performs out of now the rows become 100 percentage because out of 100 percentage, Alice Mutton's new records are 69 percentage and old records are 30 percentage. When Alice Mutton itself is considered 100 percentage. Okay, all 13 records are 100 percentage. And how many new records are there? It's 69.23 percentage and old records are 30.77 percentage. Okay, that's why for each row record it is 100 percentage. Okay, so overall new records are 50 percentage and 50.9 percentage, and old records are 49.1 percent. Hope this video is helpful to you to introduce a percentage into your pivot table, and it is very easy to introduce grand total percentage and row percentage and the column percentage. Okay, so you can do your analysis simply by introducing the percentage. Okay, I hope this video is helpful to you, and please give a like and subscribe to my channel. You can see the Alan Sam logo on uh, the subscribe logo on your video itself. Just click and you can subscribe to my channel, and God bless you.